to another episode of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we'll take a look at an inefficient market move. An inefficient market move is when price moves suddenly. Usually, this type of a move is not sustainable, and we generally see the price move back to the level that it was trading from. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at how to identify an inefficient market move, what exactly makes an inefficient market move, and how do we take the trade, when to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and as always, where to exit the trade with a profit. We're looking at how to trade an inefficient market move. This is New Zealand US dollar 15-minute chart. An inefficient market move is when price takes off in one direction very fast. Generally, we see this type of behavior either when there is news that has come out or there may be a comment on the newswire that's driving the market. But essentially, the main thing we are looking for is a fast move and in one single direction. When we are trading the inefficient market move, we are basically looking for price to fill the gap again. So this big inefficiency that is created, we're looking for price to come back and fill the entire inefficiency. So we are trading against the move. We are trading in the opposite direction of the move. Now, this is this can be a little bit challenging because we do not want to get in the way of a falling knife. So we don't want to catch a falling knife. We want to make sure that we actually wait for the proper setup before we get into the move. So in this case, we are looking for price to drop here to fill this inefficiency in. So we need to see a good solid candle close. So in this case, we want to make sure that the price does not break the high. If it does break the high, let's say price turns around and starts going back up and closes above the high, then that is not a valid move and we cannot take that trade. So we have to make sure that the high is not broken, price is not able to go any higher. We want to see a close that is back into the previous level here. Once we get this bearish candle close, we can take the trade short. Our entry would be on a little bit of a pullback here. We can enter the trade short. Our stop would go above the high there. And we are looking for price to drop. So our take profit target can just be put at the base of this move. So we'll just enter our take profit target here and we'll just wait for price to come into this take profit target. Once the price does start to go sideways here, we can always pull the trade out. So we'll just lose a few pips. However, sometimes it's best to do that while the price is going sideways. But in this case, price does come back and hit our take profit target. So from entry to exit here, we get 37 pips in our trade. So just to recap here, inefficient market move is when price moves suddenly and there's an explosive move in one direction. We're looking for the price to come back and fill this inefficiency. So we are looking for a move in the opposite direction. We need to see a solid candle close in the opposite direction and we want to make sure the high is not broken. Our entry would be once we get a solid candle close here, we'll enter the trade short, stop, will go above the high here, and our take profit target would be at the base of the move where the price took off from, and we just let the price come back into our profit target. In this case, our profit is 37 pips from entry to exit here, which means $370 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this episode, please feel free to subscribe, like the video, and share with your friends. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.